and flights.
Satellites might experience single event upsets, electronic failure, so they get forewarned. You could have radio blackout, and I believe some areas on the sunlit side has already experienced that. We might begin to see more of that.
The sun's eruptions since Sunday are expected to reach the Earth at the latest around midnight Hawaii time. That's according to forecasters at the United States Space Weather Prediction Center. They say the storm, which started with a massive solar flare, grew as it sped outward from the sun. They say there is potential for widespread problems.
Our ionosphere can get disturbed. So that means, again, your communication, navigation error with your instruments. Satellites might experience larger drag that might require resetting them in future. My expectation is that it's at that level. It's a moderate level storm, as far as we can tell right now.
There are 3 ways solar storms can disrupt technology on Earth, with magnetic, radio, and radiation emissions. This is an unusual situation when all 3 types of solar storm disruptions are likely to be strong. So far, scientists say this storm ranks as a 3 out of 5. The solar storm is likely to last until Friday morning, but the region of the sun that erupted could still send more blast our way. Scientists are watching another set of active sunspots potentially aimed at Earth over the next few days.
We see every corner of the sun all the time. So we are at least able to tell you that, yes, this is coming towards us. Beware, keep watching, don't get hysterical.
And we haven't heard of any major disruptions anywhere so far. NASA says the space agency isn't taking any extra precautions to protect astronauts at the International Space Station from added radiation. But for now, scientists are just waiting to see what happens through now and Friday, when the charged particles should have already hit Earth.
A grass fire turned the evening commute into a smoky ride in Ohio tonight. The flames broke out during the late evening rush hour. The fire didn't block the roadway, but traffic was definitely slow.
Particles that could disrupt power grids, global positioning systems, and flights.
Satellites might experience single event upsets, electronic failure, so they get forewarned. You could have radio blackout, and I believe